In this appraisal, I'm going to concentrate on the sound quality features of the Jade 2 Electrostatic headphone system, and in comparison to other headphones I've tried. If you want to check out the technical features of Electrostatics, have a look at the article on my website. This amplifier is pretty hefty looking, and it has a kind of appealing, purposeful look, almost like a power tool with a wraparound type case. The sides come up so it's narrower on the front faceplate, and it has simple on-off button, 2 sets of headphone outputs, an input selector for the XLR or RCA connections, and obviously it has a volume control. The 2 sets of headphone outputs are none other so that people can listen to 2 sets of headphones at once. At the back of the case you've got XLR and RCA inputs, a voltage selector, and obviously the power inlet. These headphones are kind of basic looking. None of the usual wood inlay features you get with some HIFIMAN headphones. That's until, though, you turn them on their side and you see the green jade kryptonite coloured dust covers coming through the spider grille sides. This gives the impression that it's a premium product. I've been listening to this headphone system for a couple of weeks, so I've got a really good impression on what this pairing can do. I've been using my Cord Qtis DAC and Inuos Zenith Mark II source. I'm using the RCA connections at the back. One thing you really notice about this system is how you hear sound within sound. That may sound like an odd thing to say. So if you take, say, a synth chord, you can hear all the microdynamics, intonations, and timbre information in that chord. This is really the exquisite frequency range that these headphones have on offer. There's just an accuracy, and God, is this system fast and dynamic. Since I've been listening to it more, I've noticed that these headphones go really deep into the recording. Soundstage is really good. You don't get richly rounded dynamics like you do with Focal Clear headphones I tried, which are dynamic driver headphones, nor that bass richness that you get, or indeed a bigger soundstage. These headphones don't have the dynamics, bass extension and separation of HIFIMAN HE1000 version 2s I tried, particularly as I tried those headphones with a DCS Bartók. But those headphones are the same price, or if not slightly more, than this whole system, so that's hardly surprising. Also, just because the DCS Bartók is a mind-blowing headphone amp and DAC. These headphones project so much detail, it can come across as a little hazy in the treble. Now, I found this very, very slight, and it wasn't really a problem for me, but I can understand how it could be for some if you're super sensitive to this type of sonic signature. I've got to emphasize though that this is so slight, and you only really noticed it, what I found, when I first put them on. When I kept on listening and got used to this system, it wasn't a problem. And if you could perceive this as a criticism, which by the way I don't, but I'm just plain devil's advocate here, it's because probably more to do with the technology and the electrostatic design rather than these headphones themselves. Compared to some dynamic driver systems and planar magnetic systems, this electrostatic system from HIFIMAN really stands out, and the price is fantastic considering that you can spend an awful lot of money on an electrostatic headphone amp and headphones. So it comes very recommended by me, and definitely check it out. The sonic signature of these headphones suits my personal taste down to the ground, and I'd buy these headphones in a heartbeat. Absolutely recommended, and definitely achieving the 13th note. Yeah, where is my credit card?